Welcome back to this video, and to this tutorial I'm going to show you step by step on how to change text color in Photoshop. So let's move. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this guide useful and you're very new to this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more tutorial about Photoshop tricks. So with that being said, let's get started. So the very first thing I'm going to do is to come down below right here. I will make sure I create a new layer. Now, if you take a look at this particular Photoshop workspace, it's already in a plain white background, okay? Now, we want to make a type. So for us to make a type, we have to come to the type tool right here. We right-click on here, then we make sure we right-click on type tool right here, and we make sure we choose horizontal type tool. So I'm going to basically change this font style to something like Lato, okay? So having selected my font style, I will make sure I change the font to regular. Then the font size, I will make sure I come here and change the font size to something like 48. Okay. Right here, you see we have the default color palette here as white. Okay. What we want to do next is to make sure we click on here. Then from here, we can choose any color of our choice. So let's, for instance, we want this text to be in red color. So we can simply click on color from here and we'll click on OK. Then we come to the workspace right here and make a type. Okay. So we can say change text color. Okay. Then we need to format this text. So what I'm going to do first is to make sure I press Ctrl+A on my keyboard. Then the next thing I need to do is to come to the top right here. I'll make sure I click on type, then go to panels. Then I will have to make sure I look for character panels. Okay, then from here, I'm going to switch off this to auto. Then the next thing I'm going to do is to make sure I align this text. So I can come to paragraph panel right here. Then I will make sure I align this text to center text. Then we have it this way. Okay, then I have to go back to my move tool right here. So I can basically align this text to the center point of the workspace. So for me to do that, I have to make sure that I go to the top right here, I click on select, I'll make sure I click on all. Then the next thing I need to do is to make sure I center to the center, alignment center, and alignment horizontal vertical center. Next thing I need to do is to go back to select, and I will choose the select, or you press Ctrl D on your keyboard, then you have it this way. Now, how do you change how do we change color from this particular text right here again, and how we can mix up color and how we can mix up color with our text in Photoshop? Okay, let's, for instance, we want to change the color text into another color. What we want to do is to make sure we go back to our horizontal type tool. Then with our mouse, we can simply drag this way to select the bottom text. Okay, now basically there are the various ways by which you can use to change this particular color. One of the first way is to come to the color switch right here, click on here, then you can change to blue right here. So let's check it out. You see it has been fully updated. Okay, now let's say for instance we want to change this color right here. We just simply select change. Then what we will need to do, the other way to change color is to come to the top right here, click on here, then we can basically change this to something like dark color like this. Then I'll click on OK. Then finally, I'll come to the move tool right here and click on OK. So it's as simple as that. So this is how to simply change color of text in Photoshop. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel for more tutorial tips and tricks about Photoshop. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.